Hey, what's up guys? Matt here. Another Friday, another piano tutorial for you guys.
So today we are going to be looking at the piano part for the well-known song by Eric Clapton, Layla. We're going to start on a D chord. So D is going to be in your left hand. And then in your right hand you're going to play a D chord. So your thumb's on A, third finger on D, and pinky finger on F sharp. And with these rhythms, follow along with me, take it very slow. Okay, so we start on a D chord. Then we move up, keep the D in the right hand, and then move up in the left hand to an F sharp. So we start on D. Then we moved up to a G in the left hand. And in the right hand, you're playing a G chord, but a variation of a G chord. So we start thumb on B, second finger on D, and pinky finger on A. And then we kind of go down. So start your pinky finger on A here, move down to G, hit that twice, and then move down to F sharp, keep moving down to E, hit that twice, then D. Okay, then go back to this D chord. So let's review what we have so far very slowly. So we have the D chord. Next chord, if we're to repeat that twice, then we go down to this C7 here, okay? So, your left hand's going to be playing a C, while your right hand plays G with your thumb, second finger on B flat, and pinky finger on E. And then we outline this chord. Up to F sharp with your pinky here. So we were here, then up to F sharp, down to E, then D for B flat. From that C7 again, very slowly, so back up to the D chord. So far the chords we've covered. So we have this D. And G. Walk down. To the C7. Back to D. Then the bass line comes in, and then the guitar. Okay, then after that part, okay, and again follow the record to know the exact amount of times each of these parts repeat. We're just basically covering the chords here. Please take it slow though at first. We've been taking it slow. Take it even slower actually, so you know how to align this with the record. Listen to the record itself. Okay. So next part, the left hand. So it goes from left hand goes from D down to D flat and then to B minor. So you can play this either way, either with F sharp, B, and D, like so, or you can play it root position. Walk up here. So the part I'm referring to is okay, that whole part. Okay, so we start on B minor and we walk up. So you're starting on this B minor root position. We have a thumb on B, third finger on D, and pinky finger on F sharp. And then we walk up. So your pinky, first and third finger stay where they are, your pinky walks up. To G, then to A. Then your left hand moves up to this E, while your right hand plays B, E, and A. Then down to an E minor, F sharp, and A. So one more time. This D and the walk down on the left hand, D, D flat, B minor. Then we go down to an A, left hand, A chord in the right hand, so A with your thumb, third finger on D flat, and pinky finger on E. And then this walks up. So the D flat, D, E. And we move up to a D in the left hand. Play thumb on A, and then second finger on D, pinky finger on G. Move down to F sharp. We get to this point where it's E and D flat in the left hand. Back down to B minor after that. Then up to this E chord, so E in the left hand, A flat, B, and E. Before we go back down to an A. Repeat, basically. So again, you want to use the record to know how many times these parts actually repeat. But let's go over that whole section once more. So we have from this D and the walk down. There's some syncopation with this too, so you again want to take this very slow. One more time from that part. So I'm going to play this a little bit faster of a tempo to give you an idea of all the parts that we've learned now for this piano part on Layla, and kind of give you an idea of how it should sound closer to speed. I'm not going to play it full speed, but I'm going to play it a little bit faster than I have been playing it to give you an idea. So from the top of this piano part. Guitar comes in. Very high guitar on these parts. So those are all the chords, all the parts to this piano part by Layla. Again, take the record to know exactly how many times these parts do repeat, but also take this very, very slow, guys. We went back, we did all these chords very slowly. So make sure you're taking this step by step, hands apart, preferably, and make sure you can get this mastered, and you should be able to play this piano part on Layla.
If you guys got anything out of that video, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me, guys. Thank you for all of your support. Also, comment down below. I'm always looking for new ideas, new song suggestions. I can teach them to you. Well, that's it for me. I will see you guys next Friday. Peace out, y'all.